Happening today, Mesa Police and Fire helping make sure every child is safe on the road.
Danielle Miller talking about child safety seat checks. Hey, Danielle.
Good morning, you two. Yes, as a mother of a 3-year-old baby girl, I know just how confusing it can be, but also just how important car seat safety can be. You know, just making sure that they are installed right, that those kiddos are in them properly as you're driving. We have Kelsey with the Mesa Fire Department with us this morning. So this is going on. We are here at Extension in Southern. This is a free event to the public.
Absolutely, yeah. We want to make sure that kids are in their seats properly and they're installed correctly. So that's what we're here for.
And what is going on exactly? So I see kind of like a loop here, so people can just pull up, and then what happens from there?
Yeah, so they're registering right at the front right now, and basically we're getting information on the child that's going to be in the car seat, that's going to be using it. From there, they move to a couple different stations to get their car seat checked, to verify the child's weight, height, all of those things to make sure it's installed correctly and it's for the proper size of the child.
And what are some of the biggest mishaps that you see that parents are making? Maybe some of the biggest mistakes of when installing these car seats?
Some things that are really important is to make sure that the seat is installed securely, so it shouldn't be moving more than an inch side to side, more than an inch front to back when it's installed with a seatbelt or the latch system. Another important thing to do is to make sure that you are using your top tether correctly, so making sure that it's secure for your seat when that child is forward facing.
And who exactly is doing this? We see the fire department out here, we see police officers out here as well.
Yeah, that's us. Yep, we're all here working together.
And how many people are you expecting? Is there a number to put on it, or?
Usually at these events we'll see between 25 to 50 different vehicles, so we'll just kind of see who shows up and arrives for the event.
And you were making a good point here. Car seats expire. Can you explain that? That's something that I didn't even know.
Yeah, every manufacturer has a different length of time that the seat will be good for use. So it's important to look at your seat and know what that expiration date looks like. So, you know, in Arizona, we think about the plastic. Our seats are staying in our car. They're getting hot. New technology comes out. So there's all those different factors that is the reason that they do expire.
And any type of information you could give to a parent when buying a car seat?
Absolutely. So the biggest thing is to consider what vehicle you have. I mean, sometimes we think about like the weight of the child, and the fact that, you know, each car is different. So like if you have a really tall adult that's going to be driving the vehicle, you might not be able to install your seat behind the driver. So really considering all of those factors, the biggest thing to make sure is that you have your seat installed correctly in your car. Sometimes there's myths like it has to be in the middle, that sort of thing, and that's not the case. Wherever it's installed correctly and securely is the best place for your child in that car seat.
And Kelsey, if people want to come out to this event today, details on that, but if they cannot make it, can they just go to a fire station at any time to get some help?
So for the Mesa Fire Department, you can register online. So just go visit our website and you can make an appointment. And if none of those appointments work for you, just call us and we'll see you anytime that's convenient for you.
Awesome. You guys will be here till 11 though,
yes,
today, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so 11 o'clock today. We're just right here in the parking lot, Extension in Southern, right here in Mesa. They will help you out if you need some help with that car seat. So definitely some great information out here, keeping those kiddos safe.
That's awesome.
Guys, we'll send it back to you.
Yeah, good information. Danielle, thank you.
You got to put those things in the right way, right?
Yeah.